Hello everybody, welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. Today I'm gonna be making gyudon. Yes, gyudon. You love gyudon. When we cook gyudon, we use thinly sliced beef, but sometimes it becomes a little bit tough. Today I will give you some tips to keep the beef soft. Before starting, here is an information for you guys. This video is sponsored by Box, a Japanese subscription service. You can try unique and tasty snacks from different places in Japan. Every month, they have a special theme, so you never get the same treats. First-time box customers will receive the Seasons of Japan box. It is kind of sample of Japanese four-seasoned snacks. They always include some rare items. Many times I discover something new. This month, I discovered yakkoi sabre from Aomori Prefecture in Tohoku area. I was born and raised in Tohoku, but I didn't know that. That cookie has an apple flavor and the texture is soft. It is really good. That this month is my favorite. I also like the brochure because it has much information about Japan and Japanese culture. If you like Japanese snacks, you can use my special code to get 10% off your own box. The code is here. You can save up to $47 and they deliver worldwide. Just click the link in the description below. So first, I'm gonna grate this half stub of ginger. Ginger reduce the meat stinkiness. It's not only for pork, it works for beef too. I love this ginger aroma. So good. Okay, like this. Today is only for my dinner, so I don't use so much ginger. Okay, set aside and cut quarter of onion into wedge, like this. Okay, like this. And set aside and put thinly sliced beef into your bowl. This one is thinly sliced, and I recommend to use a little bit fatty part. This is one tip to make the beef softer. Okay, and put half of onion into this bowl and ginger and 2 tablespoons of white wine. This is another tip. And combine, mix. Hand is easy to combine. Please wash your hand. Combine white wine and onion nicely. The alcohol and onion makes the beef keep soft. And let them sit in the refrigerator about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes passed. Let's cook beef. So in the small frying pan, if you don't have small frying pan, you can use pod. But today I'm using frying pan because it's easy to show you the inside. Pour 100 milliliter of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And mix and put rest of onion and turn on the heat and bring to a boil. In this process, onion gives the good flavor into this soup or sauce. Okay, it's boiling. Then put meat with the wine and onion into this frying pan and simmer about 5 minutes. Good aroma. The ginger is nice. And when the scum comes out, please remove it. This scum Please remove this scum to make this sauce cleaner. Okay, it's about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and put on the hot steamy rice. Put this meat on rice with onion. I love onion. Onion gives a nice flavor. And if you like this soup, you can pour with your spoon as much as you like. Pour some soup. This soup is very tasty. When I go to Yoshinoya, I always ask tsuyudaku. Tsuyudaku means much soup. And for gyudon, red ginger is a very good accent. Its match is very nice. The color is red. It's vivid, beautiful. And sprinkle some 7 spices. 7 spices. 七味唐辛子. 7 spices chili. It's Japanese spice. Okay, my gyudon is ready. さあ、いただきます。My gyudon. Beef, onion. Beef and onion combination. It's so tasty. It's good. The beef flavor and the rice, the sauce taste is so good. Onion still retain the crispiness. I love that. And beef is still soft, tender. Onion, ginger, and the alcohol, white wine, helps to keep the meat tender. It's so good, so good. And the flavor-wise, and the saltiness level is perfect. So hope you guys enjoyed today's my gyudon. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let us know what you thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next delicious video. Bye bye. Oh, check box.